In this video, I'm going to show you how you can reset your AirPods before selling them. Okay, so here I have my AirPods and my iPhone. Now, if I go ahead and open the lid on the AirPods, my phone is going to recognize these AirPods as mine. Now, if you want to sell your AirPods, you want to factory reset them. And to do this, it's going to be different depending on what version of the AirPods you've got. If you've got an older model of AirPods, you'll have a button on the back, which you need to hold for 30 seconds, and then it will reset them. I have the AirPod Pro 4's, so what I need to do is open the lid, and here you're going to have this flashing green light. Below that is going to be a touch button, and you need to do this. If you've got the AirPod Pro 4's, double tap, double tap, double tap. Once you've done that, it should then reset. Now, if you don't get this right straight away, you can give it another go. Double tap, double tap, double tap. And there you go, you're looking for this red or amber flashing light. If you have this, it essentially means that your AirPods have been reset. Now, if you open them, you can see on the phone, it's asking you to pair as if they were a new pair of AirPods. So that is how you can do it. I hope that video helped you out.